Good afternoon to everyone. So today I am going to teach you the EVS chapter, first lesson, that is about myself. About myself. So in this chapter we will learn about myself. Myself in the sense, am I a girl, am I a boy, and about in which class we are studying, and in which country we are living, and what is our school name, and what is our father name, what is our mother name, what is our weight, what is our height, and what we call birthday, when we celebrate our birthday. So in this all things we will learn in this chapter. Okay, so I request you all to open the page number 77. Open the page number 77. Okay, so here you can see first, do you remember? Can you see it in this page? Yeah, just read it. See here, keep your finger there. And do you remember, are you a boy or a girl? Color the pictures A if you are a boy, color the picture B if you are a girl. So two boxes they given there. And here they given A, and the second box they given B. Here boxes adava, A box and B box. In the A box, a boy is there. I am not drawing the picture. Pictures are there. Pictures are kottara. The pictures draw madangilla. Just in the A box there is a boy. In the B box there is a girl. And what they asked for, they told you to color the pictures according to your gender. If you are a boy, color the boy. If you are a girl, color the girl. Okay, get it? So, after this, open the page number 78. Open the page number 78. Turn on the page. Page what is it? After coloring those pictures. Okay. So, open the page number 78. What they given there? This is me. Heading color. They given a heading there. This is me. See, I will show you. See here. This is what I am talking about here. Okay. This is me. And then ask me some questions. See. Hello. I am dash. I am a dash, and they given here girl or boy. Okay. Next, I study in class dash. Next, last one. I like to dash. Okay. They ask you some questions and we have to answer those questions. Okay, places kotara. See here. So, hello, I am dash. I am dash means here you should write your name. You should write your name. I will write my name. Hello, I am Deepali. I will write my name. Get very badly. Don't copy it. You write your name. Okay, like Darshan, Samanvita, etc. Okay, you write your name. Next, I am a dash. Girl or boy. If you are a girl, write girl. If you are a boy, write boy. So I am a girl, I will write girl. I am a girl. Okay. Next. I study in class dash. I study in class dash. In which class you are studying? In which class we are studying now? First class. So right. Okay. Next. I like to dash. See. According to you, all of us has a favorite things to do in our free time. Elladdu free time ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡೋದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? So somebody like to dance, somebody like to play, somebody like to eat, somebody like to read. So all of us has a favorite thing. So that you should write here. I like to dash. So I like to read. I like to read. So I will write read. ನೀವೇನು ಬರೀರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಥಿಂಗನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೇನು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ. So after this, you can see two pictures. See, downside of this, idadmele. Downside of this, you can see two pictures. See, what is the first one? It is the map. Which map it is? It is the India map. Yes, how you can recognize it is the India map? Because the tricolors are there. Three colors are there: orange, white, and green. So, in which flag or in which map you can see those three colors in India map? Okay. So this is the India map. Okay. And what is the second picture? What is this? A building is there, and on that building a board is there. See, read that. What they written on that board? School anta bartara. School. It means it is a school. ಹೌದಾ? ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ? ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಈಗ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ ಕೆಳಗ? ರೀಡ್. ಕೆಳಗ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಡೌನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ. ಏನದಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್? Dash is my country. Dash is my country. So what is our country? In which country we are living? Is it USA or Germany or anything else? No, it is India. So we are living in India. Iten baribeku India anta baribeku. India olaga. Okay. Next, the name of my school is. What is our school name? Yes, K.R. Lakam. Okay. Enough. Just bari. Trita. See. Copy it in your textbook. Hang bardino hanga baribedu. Just change it. Hello, I am dash. Write your name here. Next, if you are a girl, write it girl. If you are a boy, write it boy. Okay. Next, I study in first time. Yes, it is the same copy mark. Either straight. Next, I like to write your favorite thing that you want that you do in your free time. Okay. Next is India is our country. Next, our school name is Kerala. These are two are the same. Okay. Fine. Next, see downside of that page. What they told, let us do. Paste a picture of yourself when you were a baby. Place kottara vanda white color. Space is there, and what they told you to do, paste a picture of yourself when you were baby. ನೀವು ಸಣ್ಣ ಬೇಬಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ದು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಫೋಟೋ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸಣ್ಣದ ಪಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸೈಜ್. ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೇಪರ್ಕೊಳಗ ಹಚ್ಚಿಲೆ ಅಂಟಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ. ವೆನ್ ಯು ವೇರ್ ಅ ಬೇಬಿ, ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಪಿಕ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, next, open the page number 79. Open the page number 79. So, ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ time to answer. Here, time to answer. A question is there and downside they given the options. Math question ಇದೆ ಒಂದು, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. So, what is the question that? ಏನಂತ ಅಂದಾರ? Circle the country. Circle the country in which you live. In which you live. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕೆಳಗ. ಸೇಮ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ are. First one is India. Next, USA. Sri Lanka. And Nepal. The last one is Pakistan. See what I did already. See. Circle the country in which you live. Already ನಾವೀಗ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಯಾವ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಅದೀವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. You should circle that country. So are we living in USA? Are we living in Sri Lanka? Are we living in Pakistan or Nepal? No. We are living in India. So where is India? It is right here. So we are living in India. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ? ಅದನ್ನ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. Circle it. We are living in India. So we have to circle India. Okay? Yes, copy it. Next, more about myself. More about myself. So already what we learned already, that I am a boy or I am a girl, and what is my name, in which class we are studying, and what is our school name, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಕಲಿತೀವಿ. So next, more about myself, a little more about myself. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಕಲಿತೀವಿ, what we learn here, what is our father name, what is your mother name, what is our height, what is our weight, and when we celebrate our birthday. Okay, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತೀವಿ. Okay, little more about myself. So you can see here 4 pictures you can see. In first picture, a man is standing there. ಹೌದಾ? And what they ask here, my father name is ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಾರ. ಕೆಳಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, 2 ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫಾದರ್ ನೇಮ್ ದೇರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರ, ಅ ಲೇಡಿ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಮತ್ತೇನು ಕೇಳಾರ, ಮೈ ಮದರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಈಸ್. ಕೆಳಗೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮದರ್ ನೇಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನದ, ಕೆಳಗ ಒಂದು ಲಿಟಲ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಅದಾಳ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಟಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲೇ, ನೀವು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೈಟನ್ನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಐ ವೇಟ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ kg. ಐ ವೇಟ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ kg. ನಿಮ್ಮ ವೇಟನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ವೇಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತೂಕ, ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ಫಾದರ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್. Father name is dash. Next here, my mother name. My mother's name is dash. And next, I am dash centimeter tall. And next, I weight dash kg. Okay, see here, my father name. You should write your father name. Okay, I will write my father name. New father name ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So my father name is Chandrakant. Okay, don't copy it. Don't copy any of these. Okay, because all of us will get the different answers. My father name is Chandrakant, so I wrote here Chandrakant. You should write your father name. My mother name, I will write my mother name. ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಹೆಸರು ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಹೆಸರು ನೀವು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಟಾಲ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೈಟ್ ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ನಾವು ಫೂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಮೈ ಹೈಟ್ ಇಸ್ 158.67 centimeter tall. Okay, you should write your height. Okay, next, I weight dash kg. ನೀವು ತೂಕಣ್ಣ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So my weight is 48. Okay, don't copy it as it is. Okay, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಾದರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಬರೀರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮದರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಬರೀರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೈಟ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಯೋರ್ ಹೈಟ್, ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯೋರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, so after all this, you can see one more blank box. One blank box, white color. Okay, allen kellara, this is my fingerprint antantara. Fingerprint in madi, take a ink pad iru gotta, adan tagonda place your finger on the ink pad. Nim ida, which finger? Thumb. This is the thumb. So place your thumb on the ink pad and press it little hard, and then place it here. Okay, so this is called fingerprint. Okay, so next, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಣ್ಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಅದ, ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ ಆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಯುನೀಕ್ ಅಂತ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಯುನೀಕ್, ನೋ ಬಡಿ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಮೀ. I am unique. Yes, In this class, if we have 28 students or 30 students, all those 28 students are different in their own way. All of those students are different and unique. Everybody is different who is in this world. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಏನಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಜನ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೋ ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಜನ ಏನಿರ್ತಾರ ಬಹಳ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾರ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಜನ ಓವರ್ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾರ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಯುನಿಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ after this, turn on your page. Page na holisri, open the page number 18. Page number 18 open madri. Okay, and read it. See, this is page number 18. Okay, so in open madri ಏನಂದರ, the day on which a person is born is called her or his birthday. Birthday ಅನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಹೌದಾ? Every year it's about birthday. Every year we celebrate our birthday on a particular date, ಹೌದಾ? So what is birthday? What is this? What is birthday? It is the day when we cut the cake, when we distribute the chocolates to our parents and friends. Hoda? So this is we call birthday. So the day on which a person, the day on which a person, hoda? The day on which a person is born. Is born. It's called his or her birthday. The day on which a person born. ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಏನೋ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಹುಟ್ತಾನ, ಒಂದು ಮಗು ಹುಟ್ಟುತ್ತ. ಅದೇನ್ ಮಗು ಹುಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದ ಅವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವ್ ಏನಂತೀವಿ, ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಾವು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ದಿನಾಂಕ ಒಂದು ಡೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಡೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವತ್ತ ನಾವು ಬರ್ಡೇನ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಉಳ್ಕಿದ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್. ದ ಡೇ ಆನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಬಾರ್ನ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹರ್ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಏನು ಕ್ವಶನ್, 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅದಾವ. ಏನದಾವ? ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಬಾರ್ನ್ ಆನ್ dash day and month dash year. I was born on dash day and month dash year. So here you should write the particular date, day and year. See, I was born on dash. Here you should write your birth date. I will write my birth date. Okay, so my birth date is 16 October. So ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ? All of us has a different birth date. You should write your birth date. Okay, I write mine. Okay, 16 October. ಏನಿದು ಡೇಟ್. ಸೊ and ಡೇ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಡೇ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಮ? ಇದೆ ಕೆಳಗ ಡೇ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಂಡೇ, ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ, ವೆನ್ಸ್ಡೇ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಡೇ ಯು were born, a particular ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ I born on Monday. ಸೊ I will write Monday. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಜನ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೇ ಹುಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಜನ ಸಂಡೇ ಹುಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇಯರ್. ಯಾವ ಇಯರ್ ಹುಟ್ಟಿರ್ರಿ? ಸೊ ಐ ಬಾರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ 1995. ಹೌದಾ? ನಿಮ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ 2000, 2003, 2004, something like this. Okay, so write your year, your birth date, your birth day. ಬರೀತಾರೆ. Rita? Okay, fine. So it's enough for today. I will continue tomorrow. Okay? I hope everything is understanding. If you have any doubts, then read it again. Okay? Okay, fine.